Welcome back. Now the experts at Ridgewater Homes are showing us a beautiful home tour.
Hey Marc and Mandy, it's Daryl here with Ridgewater Homes. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 1949 home. This home is what we call our Burnaby Salvage. Originally this was pretty much a tear-down home. It had holes in the walls, the windows were broken, asbestos siding, asbestos inside. We had an addition on the back that was built without permits and not to code. Addition on the front, same thing, wasn't built to code, was falling apart. We had holes in the ceiling and in the roof. It was a mess. We're inside this home. We've got 3 original walls. The one behind me, the one onto the side, one behind. This fireplace, the mantle itself, this is a tree that was actually against the illegal addition, which we recycled and brought back into this home. We've got nice vaulted ceilings for the light. It's just a very open and friendly atmosphere. Originally it was very dark, there was a fireplace here. Everything's just pretty much changed. Originally the old kitchen was over behind the fireplace. There was, I think, about 1 or 2 cabinets left. It was falling apart. All the plumbing, electrical had been stripped down. The new kitchen, we moved to what used to be a bedroom and a bathroom. The kitchen here is meant to be very open, friendly, and warm. The walls were brought up to code. They used to be 2x4, but everything was done up to 2x6, insulated properly. The tile here, the accent tile, was actually left over from another job that we thought we would actually repurpose into our Burnaby Salvage job. If we go this way, we can see where the original house actually ended. This wall here was where the original house, the 1949 home, ended, and the addition off of it was off of that. So we've recreated the home, better flow. We'll take a look at the backyard here. The backyard was it wasn't functional at all. We had fences that were falling apart. We've got all new fencing. We had these big trees. So we created a flower bed here to give it that height for the roots. The house itself, we had the addition, but again, wasn't done to code. It was built onto cinder blocks, and pretty much you could push the whole thing and it would move. So the new addition is strong, creates more room, and it's just a very functional house, but still creates a nice yard for a family with kids.